Well, good morning, YouTube. Today is going to be the day. Focused. They say be positive and everything. So today's the day the mechanic's showing up. And we're going to have a look at why this thing's consuming so much oil. We got up this morning. It's a little before 8 a.m. And the mechanic's supposed to be here between 10 and 11. So we got from Jeffrey Bear. And, well, I just lied in bed for a while later and decided I better start cleaning up. Whole place cleaned up. I got dressed. And this little dude wants to go for a walk. So we're off. I think it's 5 or 6 degrees out. What? It's fall here already? Okay. Most of this is garage sale stuff up until the barbecue. So that's all got to go back in my truck. Separating my tins, that's clothes. This one's going to be memories. And I got supplies. I think I put tools in here. And I'm just not sure where we're going. But I think I have enough room for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different containers in there. And the bike and the barbecue and the stove. So just trying to feel everything out so everything has a place and there's a place for everything. But it's like 2:45. I've been busting my butt on the phone all day today and just trying to get things organized. After a month of chaos. Hey, bud. Brent's van life is switching gears. That's right. The motor isn't going to last long, and I'm a little scared to take it across the Rocky Mountains. Baby. So it looks like it's staying right there. And again, after a month of 3 weeks and waiting and worrying, and then a week of driving up here, waiting and worrying, and I had my mechanic over yesterday, and it turns out that one of the cylinders is hooped, and that's why it's drinking so much oil, and there is no easy fix for it. I decided to go home. Kind of depressing, like that constant trying to be positive, and you see me being positive and asking for your positivity, but after a month of it, oh my God, well, more than a month, because things started going bad with my drones and my laptops and my phones and all the way since I left Newfoundland. It's been a bit of a struggle, but you know what we're going to do? We're going to kick it up a notch. Yeah, we're going to move. What do you think? The new Brents van life? Man. Dude, we're going to go hippie. I'm just cleaning it out now. I was on the phone all morning trying to get everything arranged to get the license plate swapped with ICBC. And we're going V-dubbing. Right? Puts a smile on my face just saying it. Every time I drive that thing, it's just, yeah. And the best part is, you see other people doing that as they drive by you, right? These things are so nostalgic. So I'm going to leave the bus here. I don't know how long it's going to take to get things done. I know I'm leaving it in good hands. Actually, the mechanic, I said to him that I'd call me when it's ready and I'll fly up and get it. And he actually offered to deliver it to Nanaimo. Of course, I'm going to have to fly him home. But what's the difference? Me flying or him flying? And if he wants to enjoy some van life for a change, what the heck? Maybe we'll get him hooked. There'll be no video, though. I can guarantee that. He is a roughneck mechanic, dude. So, but I'm so looking forward. Jumping behind the 8-ball. Yep. Yeah, we're going to start loading things into it right now. So, sorry I didn't get you guys earlier, but this is what's happening.